Hello student, we are discussing on the window of main wall, front wall. So we have to move it. So the main board can be flexible. This 0.75 and then move it to its mid to mid. This is mid to mid of this, and then move it and enter. Select the stay entry and board and all the window one by one. Move it rightward by 5 feet and then mirror 3D mirror, modify 3D operation, 3D mirror, this tail entry link, enter. This is midpoint, and then the midpoint of this and the midpoint of this, then press enter. And now prepare the net for this frame still and really, and go to hash, then slash, then the ANSI, then ANSI 37, then OK. Scale should be 5, and then add the point inside the rectangle for board, then OK. Then move the net and picking its endpoint to the midpoint of scale and railing. Then go to plan. You go to plan. Where is the plan? This is the top view wood plan. Then mirror the this detail to the right side on the midpoint to midpoint, then enter. And now the window of front wall is ready. Now go to southwest and draw the ventilator for the front wall. So this is the ventilator of middle wall. You will just copy it by checking the dimension. It is of 3.5 feet wide. You just copy it and move it by some distance of right side, then stretch it, go to plan and stretch it, because the ventilator of front wall is 4 feet wide, so stretch it by half foot or 6 inches. Rightward and then offset the middle line by 0.75 inches for stopper strip. Then go to southwest and press pull the main frame. This is up to, or yes, you just press pull this frame by 5 and then press pull the stopper strip by 2, and then go to conceptual visual style and move this, picking its midpoint to the midpoint of main frame, and move this in orbit. You check the movement. It is not, why, I don't know. I have to move it again by 1.5 and then erase the stopper strip rectangle and press pull the board by 1.5 and then press pull the board by 0.75, then move the board taking its midpoint to the midpoints of steel and drilling. Then go to southwest isometric and move the ventilator, picking its components one by one, then move it by 5 feet rightward and then go to modify 3D operation, 3D mirror. Then select the steel and drilling, press the enter. Now it required the 3 point for a plane. This is midpoint and 1 is the next midpoint and 3rd next midpoint. The data is not fit, so it's fit correctly, so Ctrl Z, the points are not in the plane region. So again we just orbit the ventilator so that its position is as picking all midpoint in a plane region. So again we go to modify and 3D operation, then 3D mirror, select the steel and drilling, press the enter, pick midpoint 2. It is not picking the midpoint of this, so type PER enter and pick a perpendicular, then midpoint, enter. Now it is okay. Now go to hatch and pick add point here, press enter. Okay, then move this net, picking its endpoint to the midpoint of this ventilator, and this ventilator is now ready. Now all the things for the walls are near about ready, so we have to fix all this in the main drawing of house plan. So go to house plan and then go to insert block. There is insert block and browse, then search for the door and window. This is door and window. We just open it, okay, and place it here. Now we have to explode it using X, enter, and then select enter. Now orbit the plan in the position that it may come in front of us. Then we have to rotate these doors as the position. So first of all, we rotate these two doors. These are common, so we need only one. One should be erased, and go to 3D rotate, enter, and pick endpoint, red axis, then 90. And now again rotate it simply 2D. This is rotate for 2D. Select the same and then pick a point here or here. This is the position, which position we want. This can also be rotated, and first of all we have to pick it, copy, select this door and pick its endpoint and put it into the end of this and end of this. Now we need to, for kitchen door, this is the kitchen door. Go to 3D rotate, select the door, and now it requires press enter, then base point it required. Here is the base point, then required rotation axis, that is the red axis, and now it wants the angle, that is the 90 degree. Now we have to rotate it 2D. For the position of wall, now go to rotate 2D, then select hold the door, then press enter, then pick point and give it, rotate it at 90 degree. Now copy the same, picking its endpoint. This is the endpoint. E and D, enter, and then go to endpoint of kitchen. Here is the kitchen, and now it is okay. All the doors are put in their place. Now put this